Hi, big guy.
Holy cow. Holy cow.
What is that? 8 foot deep?
8 or 9.
And that's it, yeah, he gets the shallow end and he kicks off the fins. Hey, who's the big swimmer? 2 years, 8 months. Who's swimming? Are you going to swim to the other end now? Yeah. Okay, show me. Oh, look in front of you. Look that way. A little break? Need a little break? Well, someone's sleeping good tonight. Can you say hi, Popeye?
Hi, Popeye.
Say hi, Uncle Nick.
Hi, Uncle Nick.
Say hi, Grandma Lala.
Hi, Grandma Yaya.
Say hi, Aunt Vic.
Hi, Aunt Milk.
And hi, everybody else. Say I love you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Oh, you're a good boy. What about Aunt Sharon?
Yeah.
Aunt Sharon's going to come swim in this pool.
Kristen, too.
Kristen, too?
Yeah.
Oh, Aunt Kristen?
Yeah.
Okay. What about Brody?
It's Vicky, too.
Aunt Vicky, too. Say, come play, everybody. Go swim now. Come on, Hotshot. Look at you go. Not a single other person in the pool. Who? Aunt Vicky? Hi, Aunt Vic. All right, go over there now then.
Kick your leg. Kick your leg. Kick them.
Somebody is sleeping good tonight.
Kick them. Kick those legs. Kick them.
You see something over there? What do you see?
Those legs, boy. Kick those legs.
Did we bring us regular goggles? Or just, oh yeah. Max, look at Mama. Big guy.